What's up, everybody? I'm Joe Romo, and this is POHBOYS Garage. Welcome to another episode. Today we'll be working on Timmy's wifey's car.
You know, essentials, the wipers, you know, you got your new brake pads front and back. We got a box full of shocks, new shocks on both rear shocks, and a new lug nut and stud.
So yeah, this is our first time working on this type of vehicle, so yeah, stay tuned. Woohoo!
Yeah, we figured out what we needed. We ordered our parts this week, and we came back here to hopefully get this all tied up today.
Yeah, we're on POHBOY time though, so it might...
Yeah, it's a 2-hour job. It's going to turn into a 2-day job. You know how it goes, guys.
Because it's the right passenger side. We showed it on the last episode. We'll show it again.
These stock shocks. They are...
How stock?
KYBs.
Dang.
Stock shocks.
And you got the magnets too, huh?
The what?
The magnets.
What's the magnet for?
The magnet, yeah, the magnets.
Oh yeah, the magnet. The Rock Auto magnets. Yeah, that's the most important part.
Yeah, screw the parts.
Who needs the parts? I just pay that much for magnets. I didn't watch any videos on how to do this.
Oh, okay.
So we're just POHBOYing it right now.
Yeah.
And gonna figure it out as we go, because we've done it
basic.
before.
Yeah, it's like almost the same
Hopefully we don't
thing.
break any clips on this stuff here.
No.
This is nice stuff.
This is too fresh. It ain't no 90s shit boxes that we have. So let's get it up and we'll dive more into it. What if you have to go to in the back of the passenger?
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna figure out how to get in here and get back to you.
This is it.
We only have 4.
Oh yeah, huh? That one's missing. That's right. Oh, hopefully you don't have to replace it.
Let's see if it's the same length.
Yeah.
Oh, it's a heavy ass fucking rim.
Oh yeah, no.
Oh shit.
It's heavy.
That's a heavy
Yeah,
rim.
super heavy. Yeah, no, it's
Oh yeah, it's done.
a little nipple now. That's weird. All right, so it looks like even if you wanted to take off the shock, the strut, whatever, that one bolt, and then we gotta figure it out. Is it going to the going inside to the trunk, right? No, we don't need to take that off. We just need to figure out.
Top.
So it's like back here,
It's
in the
moved.
back
It's
side.
in the trunk for sure. So.
Okay. Well, let's do it, buddy.
Trying to get the side paneling off here so we could access the top of the strut and unscrew those bolts.
Yeah.
We're trying to figure out, we just gotta pop this off. Maybe spray some water here, I don't know. We just gotta get this whole panel off right here. And
we'll show you guys the process. We'll figure it out with you.
once we figure it out, we'll show you.
We'll show you. We're doing it. So it probably doesn't have to come out.
Probably not. Oh, look at that.
Ugh. That's like, you can't really tell on the camera, but it looks like, I just can't tell. Almost like a cream color, huh?
Desert camo.
Alright, took the little covers off.
I don't want to scratch that under here. There's the, so I gotta pull this whole piece off.
And then, yeah, let's work our way around because I have to come off on this side anyways, so might as well do it all at once. Yeah, use this little guy.
Show your skill.
I went in, put the light down so I can see what's going
Let
on.
me record for you.
Oh yeah, sure, why not? See how low you go.
Hold your hand.
Here it goes. Yeah, I just stuck it underneath the carpet and just twisted it back and forth. These are the ones with like, it's all like red for pleasure. So those ones you have to like fight with them. It's not regular clips. But we got it, and let's work our way around. Yeah, just gotta do it.
This one.
Well, luckily we have extras, so we're cool if we break at least one. We don't want to though, but you know. Keep it OEM, bro.
You know, it's a demonstration of skill when you could do them all without breaking
Do
in.
them all, yeah. Just wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Just wiggle it and get the right. See it. Just wiggle it. Sounds like it's breaking, but it's not. See? Like it. You see underneath it?
Nice, clean.
Yeah, see? Nice and clean. Oh, you got 10 cents, buddy.
I'm rich! I'm rich!
You got money. What a good deal.
Damn.
We'll start working our way around.
Pull this whole thing out. Do this one right here.
Yeah, we'll take that. And it looks like that's the only ones holding it.
Yeah, I probably should hold them out. Huh?
And underneath it.
Thing. Let's see if I can do it now.
Oh, yeah, try
now
it,
that you're
yeah.
doing it, I'll be more confident about it.
I'm more confident. Joseph didn't break it.
Joseph did it.
Just wiggle it. Oh, look at you. See? Mijo's growing up. Mijo's getting brave.
All right, so this is modern engineering. You gotta take this off now. Apparently, it's holding this whole piece in because this whole piece is all one piece.
Okay.
So we gotta take this whole piece off now and get this off and this off, and hopefully we can just pull that off.
It's a puzzle piece, man. It's crazy. It's like you can't even tell it's hitting right here on the spare tire.
I mean, if this is out, you should have to pull it out that way. I hope.
That'd be cool to stick our. Oh, you got it. Did you get it?
Yeah.
Oh, cool. It popped off.
Alright, now you can try it too.
Alright, now you can try. We got that part. So is this the seal? All the way around.
Oh, it's on it, huh?
It's on it pretty good. Okay. Okay, alright, you did it. Alright, man. Just go over it, see? Just see. Get out, bro. Woo! Got it.
Plastic.
Yes.
Oh.
Plastic all around. Alright, so Shipwreck came in and saved the day, that's safe to say.
Called in the big guns.
Big guns. Alright, let's see.
Sometimes you need
What'd you do, brother?
Yeah, we thought maybe popping this up would be right, but it wasn't moving much. So I was like, well, let's see if it's in here maybe. And I just poked it and it popped right out.
Alright, oh, there's the screw.
And
Oh, yeah, oh my goodness.
so
Mijo.
that's the trick.
Look at that. With that
yourself
little guy.
a little pecker.
No small pickers here.
Sometimes you need one, I guess.
Oh no.
The
Yeah.
Lexus is
And the
new
kid-
one.
yeah, the
Hopefully we
Lexus.
just saved your plastics.
Yeah, yeah.
And mine.
Right?
Yeah, yeah.
Cool, man. Alright, yeah.
Nobody
so,
wants to look at a bolt in their Lexus.
No. We got one. That's cool. We got that. Take off that side. The whole panel will be able to pull off and then we'll repeat it on this side. And thanks, Shipwreck.
Yeah, anytime.
There you
So
go.
convenient. You got your boat, you got everything all.
So you can't lose it, right?
So don't break
All
your
right, put it
plastics,
down, put it
people.
down. Let's see where it's gonna go. It's not gonna walk anywhere. No, put it there. No, put it on the carpet, man. We're gonna step on it.
Kick
or something.
around.
Yeah.
Oh, you know how many
Don't lose my
bolts-
pecker either.
Don't lose my
Don't lose Shipwreck small pecker.
Never lose your pecker.
And then you just got that one. to
This
do
one's
next.
got pop.
Oh yeah, we need your pecker back. Yeah. Bada bing, bada boom, man. That should be it, right? I don't think there's anything else.
All right, if this isn't it, I'm gonna be pissed.
Oh no.
Look how much shit we had to take off.
Yeah, that's stupid.
Well, he
dude.
wants to strip the whole fucking car down, man. I could see why the guy sold the car because of this bullshit.
He's like, I don't want to deal with it.
Like, oh, there's a strut. I'm selling it.
I'm selling it now. All right, so
go.
going down. Let's see. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Oh, okay. All right. It's wiggling. I don't know what's going on back there.
Something's going on.
Something's going on back there.
Start your hair stuck.
Is there another one?
Up top of your hair stuck. We gotta take this off, I think.
No way. Now we got no way.
It's because I'm pulling this. It's for pulling this part down. So we gotta take these off too.
No way. Son of a gun.
Luxury.
Luxury. Oh my gosh.
We have the luxury of working harder.
Yeah, I guess.
Jeez. So these are pretty. You just gotta pop this part out first, probably, right?
Yeah, well, maybe we'll get the lens cap right here. This little cap.
That's gonna come off.
That might have to come off. I have no idea.
Speaker in there. That's
Speaker will be alright. Yeah, be careful, yeah. And then we should be able to take it off. All the clips look like they're off. Alright.
Yeah.
Oh, there we go. Yeah.
Pop right out on the right
right
side, guys. Right side.
Right side.
The left side has no clip, so don't do it on the left side. Do it on the right
And
side.
this comes down. Supposedly it's supposed to come down. Don't tell me it's stuck in this thing too. Yeah, it's really hot in here, dude. Oh, that? Yeah. The light's been on for a while, dude. Alright, guys. Well, there we go. Yeah, took everything.
Maybe this comes down. Let's see.
Yep. And it slides out. Does it slide out? Oh, there we go.
Yeah.
Alright.
Another piece out.
Woo, Rango.
So, to change all your shocks, you gotta take all that shit out.
That's so stupid. Okay, can we take this
And
off
we
now?
still don't have this out. So let's see. There's probably another clip.
Another
right here.
clip?
That's what was holding.
Oh, that's what's sticking it in there? That's
Right
stupid. Alright, so almost there, right? We're almost there, buddies. What do you have to do? You just pinch
So
it.
you got this one last thing up here. See, it's in here. It's gotta pinch these little knobs hang out of it.
Okay.
Now I can't do it also.
You did it like 2 seconds
There you
ago.
go.
Okay. Pop it out. All right. Does it come out? Is it gonna come out? Let's see. Yeah, it's coming.
Yeah, it's still more over there.
No way, dude. There's more.
Look,
Shut the heck
I
up,
can't pull
dude.
it off.
What the heck? Where's it?
Right here or something.
Oh yeah, a whole freaking like big old chunk.
This is why. Like, oh, you.
Oh no! Don't even take it off, dude. We can reach the bolts right here. Like you don't even have to take it all
You don't
off.
have to take it off.
I can see it right here. We're right here, dude.
This whole front plastic cap is holding it in.
The whole thing?
There's a plastic cap here.
Oh.
It's
Screw it,
holding
dude. We could get to it. Look it.
You see him back there?
Yeah, they're right here. I can touch them right now.
Yeah, then we don't gotta worry about it.
We don't gotta take this whole thing out. Just go push it forward.
There's a little button on top of it you gotta push right here.
Oh yeah.
And then that clip should pop out. This thing here, you push the button, I'll pull it. Alright, hold on. Go for it. Nope.
There you go. Okay, cool.
Easy enough.
Alright, that's off. You get a little.
Those little latches. There you go.
Oh, here's your chingadera.
Hey, we were looking for that.
And then here's the clip. Here's the clip.
Okay, so that, remember how that went on there.
Alright, got it. Here's the other clip. So we've got two clips. Alright, two clips.
And then this will come off.
That should come up. Oh,
There you go.
alright, there we go, baby.
So you're gonna need a 14 socket right here. These guys. And pretty tight. There you go.
Yeah, you got one.
One. This one
Let me
again.
get you the power tool for that too, so we don't have to like scratch all
Oh,
that.
there you go,
another
two.
one. Last one,
This
baby.
one back
One
here.
more.
Ah,
There we go. Woo! Okay, man. Let me get you the power tool so you don't have to wrench. All right, everybody. We're doing good progress. We got it, man.
All right, look at it.
What do we got? What do we
Taking
got?
this bolt off on the top here. It's kind of loose already, so we're just getting the last
Oh,
little bit
yeah.
off here, and hopefully that'll
Shoot this.
release it.
Let's see what happens. I'll take it off my fingers.
Can you do with that?
Yeah, man. I got it a little bit. It's coming. It's grubbing.
You like?
Oh, let me get a socket. Socket. We're using a 17, so don't get mad if it's like, no, use different size. It was actually kind of loose already, huh? All right, let me grab all this stuff. And oh, okay. So this is there. All right, bud. What we got?
All right, we're trying to take the bottom bolts out of this strut, and they are 19 size sockets
On both sides, so
So-
obviously. All
on
right.
both sides. So you gotta have one side.
Hopefully it just
Hold
comes
one
right
side.
out, dude. It should just come right out.
Let's try.
Guarantee you, because it's blown. I'm pretty sure we just push it down.
Push
and
it
see.
in. Yeah, it might
Yeah.
be easy, huh? All right, ba bing, ba boom.
Boom,
It's
baby.
out.
Yeah, there you go. You got that bolt off.
This one's gotta come out.
All right.
It's out.
Push, compress the suspension. Oh, you don't have to. Oh, push it up like hardcore.
Yeah. So that's dirty as fuck.
Yeah. Is it going up slowly?
Slowly.
I see it. Yeah, almost.
It's just slippery.
Do it. Do it. All right, so the camera's dying, but I let Tim try to figure it out. I mean, we tried a lot of things, but what's going on, bud?
So we got
You
finally
got it off?
got this guy out of there. I had to undo these screws for the side paneling stuff, and then I was able to push it down from the top.
Oh,
Pull it out that
pull it
way.
out that way. Okay, yeah. So the stuff we were doing earlier didn't really work out.
Looks like we're gonna reuse this.
Oh, that's what the top part is. I was wondering what this top part was. Like, dude, we gotta take more screws off.
And this is just the normal shot.
That's the old one. All right, man.
Got it!
We got it. Woo! All right, so it took some searching. We actually found some stuff on YouTube on kind of how to do this, the process of this, but we
Different
figured it out.
models.
Yeah, different models, but
We got
we're almost
trying
there.
to muscle this shock in
Yeah.
here.
Yeah, so we compressed the shock, strut, whatever you want to say, up, and then we're going to get the rubber mallet, and should just pop right over the arm right there.
We just gotta get it in here.
Yeah, it has to go on that side.
So I think Lexus recommends you take off this whole bar to get it in here, but we don't want to do that.
No, you don't have. We don't have to. You don't have to do that. It's
Yeah,
going.
no
It's
leverage.
on wood. Yeah. Do it.
I'm scared this thing will fling out.
No, it's not gonna fling. It's just wood. Oh, you got it! Woo! You got it, man.
Go.
There you
go. Let's go. The pin in the top. I had to straighten it out
Yeah?
because it came out of the hole.
Is it good now?
Yeah, it's good now, I think.
Cool. And then underneath.
So we gotta line these holes up down here.
Yeah, we'll get the bolt on. Oh, we did it though. Woo! Perfect.
Should be lined up.
Perfect in every way.
Let's
Yep, up there.
smack it in a little bit.
Smack it in. All right, update again. We did it. We did it, everybody.
Hey.
Yeah.
We're feeling better. We got it all back on
all
there.
done. We're about to.
Do we know if it works? No.
No.
We've got it together? Yeah.
Yeah.
So we're gonna have to take it for a drive and see if it works.
It's a bounce.
It's a
Now
bounce
all we
house.
gotta do is take all these panels we took off, put them back on. So we'll see you in like another hour.
All right, bud. How you doing? You're making progress, right?
Almost done, man. I gotta
man.
get
Get the
these little
top.
last things in here. I'm trying not to break this shit.
Yeah.
Look at this.
Get that in and throw in the little clips. Yeah, I don't know. That one's a little sketch.
Let's do these first, maybe.
Yeah. Maybe. Get it all like centered.
Push this out.
Oh yeah.
In.
Okay, we're almost there, man. Home stretch.
Oh, so done.
And we're done. No more. Yeah, we're done for the day. Yeah, it's a good day, right?
We got this thing all buttoned back up, looking just like it was, and new struts on there that'll hopefully work good, and new brakes in the back, and
I swear.
that's pretty much it.
Yeah, we're done. We're done. Call it a night. Make sure you like, subscribe. If you like our episodes, we're actually making a lot of episodes now, so that's pretty cool. All right, guys. Well, stay tuned. Thank you for watching us, and we'll see you guys on the next episode. Woohoo!
Our hero, our champion, legend never dies.
We're gonna go for a test drive.
We didn't do that stud either, but
Oh yeah, we'll do the stud next time. Yeah, it still took a while.
back brakes and struts.
Yeah,
Not bad for a POHBOYS day work.
There you go. At least we did it in one day.
That's true.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it didn't turn into
man.
2 or 3 days.
Yeah, nothing like that.
That's an achievement in our book.
We did it in one day. We did it. Yay.
No part runs to the store?
No
No, we didn't have to go to O'Reilly's, AutoZone.
Dang.
We didn't have to go nowheres.
I was prepared.